All right, this is the Schwinn IC4. You can see it right now. It is going, and you do not hear anything. So compared to like a Concept 2, absolutely silent. One of the major benefits of this is this monitor display. You see the Bluetooth right here, connects with a Peloton. Also comes with a heart rate monitor. Handles are nicely rubber coated. You have a snub right here for your thumb, tablet holder right here, or your phone holder. Let's look at the rest of the bike. Have wheels on the front, so you can just lift this up and move it around. 45-pound resistance magnetic flywheel. You can either use this cage or flip the pedal and clip on your shoes. And then you have a lot of options for adjustments. So right here for height, here, move your seat back and forth, and then your resistance is right here. Bike also has some additional features where you can place 2 water bottles. So if you're going to go for a harder exercise, need to hydrate. And then you also have these 2 dumbbells that hang out from right there on the top. One thing I do recommend though is this gel seat cover. I'll put a link down in the description below. It fits perfectly in the seat and it will just make your ride much more comfortable. So great alternative to a Peloton. A lot of people do actually go for this because it's so much cheaper, and then you can just sync it up. So that is the Schwinn IC4.